How do I pad a string with zeros? How do I pad a numeric string with zeros to the left, so that the string has a specific length?
To pad strings. To pad numbers. String formatting documentation.
Just use the just method of the string object. This example creates a 10-character length string, padding is necessary. Besides fill, you can use general string formatting. Documentation for string formatting and f-strings. For Python 3.6+ using f-strings. For Python 2.6 to Python 3.5. Those standard format specifiers are fill align minimum width and 0 minimum width. If you want the opposite,
if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.